Final video to fix the black screen in Palworld on Steam and Game Pass, and it works faster than anything you tried before. Are you facing that annoying black screen every time you launch the game? This usually happens because your graphic settings or drivers are not fully compatible with the game's latest update, causing it to fail before showing anything. Most solutions you find on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and require messing with multiple files or complicated commands. But today, Rexes is sharing a simple trick that fixes this instantly without all the headache. Just a few clicks, and your game will run normally. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial on exactly what to do, drop a comment below and we'll show you the easiest way to get back into Palworld without the black screen.